Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and today we're doing another monthly running session. Today we've got 4 engines today and they're all 4 kit-built engines. In fact, pretty much all the rolling stock on my layout today is my own kit-built stuff, apart from the freight and all that lot, because well, I haven't actually got around to making 3D printed freight. But I will be doing that in time. But so far we've just got 3D printed coaches, 3D printed multiple units and 3D printed engines, and yeah, we'll just be running all them today. So on the inside line we've got my LSWR T14, which I've done in black. I know it's not prototypical, but nuts to it, it's mine and I want it in black with red lining. So there we go. On the outside line I've got my Southern Railway 4 sub late, so it's a very nice looking multiple unit. Unfortunately, I did get the windows a little bit frosted because I used super glue to stick them in, so do ignore that. I've also got my very first tender locomotive, which is my LBSCR C. I don't remember which one it is. C2X class. Hopefully that's the right one. And over in my goods yard, I've got my class 07 to push about some freight, really. So yeah, let's get things started and also turn on the signals wherever the switch is. There we go, and they're booting up and looking quite nice. So let's send T14 off on its way. There we go. Make sure it's getting around nicely. You're all happy, so turn you down. Carefully. There we go. Coda in the 4 subs a bit iffy, so do need to be a bit careful. That seems nice at the moment. Yeah, I really need to fix the glazing on the 4 sub, but oh well, I'll do that in time. Make sure they're both running round. Yeah, they're quite happy. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. If you do like the well, that's going to be it. I'm forgetting all my lines. Not that I make any, but yeah. Hope you enjoy the running session. I will be switching around the engines a bit through the video, as always. But yeah, hope you enjoy it. If you do like the video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. And if you did enjoy it, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But that's going to be it for me. So hope you enjoy, and I'll see you all again next time. So take care now. you.